Sa isang interview ni Heart Evangelista, tinanong siya tungkol sa issue sa kanila ni Pia Wurtzbach dahil pinagsasabong sila ng kani-kanilang mga tagahanga, hiningan din siya ng mensahe para kay Pia. Sabi ni Heart, okay, woman to woman, I never had a problem with Pia. In fact, I was the one who cheered for her in the past and I'd like to think that it was the same for her. She was so sweet enough to use the hashtag, Heart made me do it, and at that time, I was so touched, but it's the people that she chose to surround herself with for specific reason that made this whole thing problematic. So, if I have a message to Pia, it would be, we wish you nothing but the best. Bagamat walang binanggit na pangalan si Heart, tulad daw ng mga taong nakapaligid ngayon kay Pia, posibleng ang mga dati niyang glam team ang tinutukoy ni Heart.